subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the further notification. Also like, comment, share and subscribe. In today's lecture we are going to see the design of a cam profile. So whenever we are drawing a process sheet, based on that we prepare a cam profile for the single spindle automat. So how we are going to design that cam profile, that we are going to see in today's lecture. So for designing a cam profile we required a process sheet. So this is a process sheet. How this process sheet is developed, for that one video I already created for process sheet for single spindle automat. The link for that it is already given, and how this process sheet is developed, that you are going to see in that video. So now we are going to see how we are making the design of a cam profile. So there in today's lecture we are going to see a small trick for that, how the cam profile is raised, how that we are going to see. For that we require this process sheet. So in this process sheet, using that we are drawing a cam profile for drilling operation, which coming from degrees from 177 degree to 301 degree. For that, so as we know, the cam design gives the continuous degree rotation position. So for this continuous degree rotation position we are going to design a cam profile. So now you can see this is the actual cam design. In this we are going to see the design of cam profile for the drilling operation. So how this diagram is developed, for that see the video, the link is given in description. Here we have used assumption that shaft diameter 20 mm, tool resting circle 40 mm and base circle diameter 60 mm. So as you have seen in a process sheet, for the drilling operation we are having a maximum tool travel as 52 mm, and we are doing the drilling from the 177 degree to 301 degree. So for this drilling operation, which is starting from this 177 degree to 301, we are drawing a cam profile. So here some mistakes are carried out where the students are not drawing the cam profile accurately. So here we are going to see one trick. So what the students are doing some mistake, they are directly joining these 2 points from this first, where the rise of the cam is coming out, and where for this end point where the final rise is completed. So what they are doing, they are directly joining this in this way. So this is a wrong. This is one type of mistake they are doing, from starting from this position 177 to 301, where they are just drawing one curve and they are joining these 2 points, starting and end point. Also they are doing some mistake while giving the rise from this start to end in a exhaustive way. So here there are some mistake. So to overcome this kind of mistake, today we are going to see one trick. So what we are doing, as we know, the drilling operation is starting from 177 degree to 301 degree. So what we have to do, this position where the drilling is, we are going to carry out, where the drilling is carrying out from this. For that, whatever the degree we are getting, that degree from the end point to start point we are minimizing 301 degree to 177 degree. When we minimize, we are getting 124 degree. So this distance is 124 degree. So what we are doing to complete this maximum travel of 52 mm, we are dividing this 124 into 4 equal position, means in 4 equal parts we are dividing. So one part is having a 31 degree. So for each 31 degree, by taking the protractor, we are drawing lines which is successfully adding with a 31 degree. So if you make some part, so we are getting the value as 177 plus 31 degree, and we are added, we are getting 208 degree, then 239, then 270, and finally 301. So in 4 equal part we are divided this degree. In the same way, when we are drawing the rise of a cam profile, it covering the tool path of 52 mm. 52 mm it is covering. Also this 52 mm we are dividing in a 4 part. Then we are getting the one that is 30 mm. Means suppose this is a initial position and this is a final position. From this initial position, for every 31 degree it is rising 13 mm. For every 31 degree it is rising 31 mm. Means first from 0 to 13, then the next is 26 mm, then 39 mm, then last is 52 mm. Means the rising for the 13 mm. So from this 0, what we have to do, from this last base circle we have to take the distance from this 30 mm on this equal parts lines for the degree. So from this 0, this will be the 13, then next is 26, then 39, and last one is a 52. So we are getting these 4 points. Now by using a smooth curve we have to join this. So it will give you the smooth path for this drilling cam profile for the drilling operation. So this is the small trick and important trick. By using that you can easily draw the smooth curve for the cam profile. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel Engineering Fundamentals and always stay connected.